In this video, I'll teach you how to write the linear regression model in matrix notation. So we are asked to write the model. This is a linear regression model. We are asked to write this model in matrix notation. So we have to use the matrix notation to do that. Solution. We should remember that our observations here is 6. That means from 1 to 6. And we should recall that this is exactly what we have as our linear regression model. Where this is the response variable, this is the response, this is the design matrix, this is the model parameter, and this is our error. So since we have y here to be this, and we have our observations to be 6, so it then means that our y is a 6 by 1 matrix. Our y is a 6 by 1 matrix because our observations here is from 1 to 6. So we write y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. Now, what is our s? Our s is 1, 2, 3 plus this one 4. So our s is a 4 by 4 matrix. Sorry, a 6 by 4 matrix. 6 by 4 matrix. So it will not be, since we have our constant here, this will not take us to write 1 into 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is how it is written. Now we have x, this will be x11, x12, x13, and x14. The next one will be x21, x22, x23, and x24. The next one will be x31, x32, x33, and x34. x41, x42, x43, and x44. x51, x52, x53, and x54 for this. And our last one will be x61, x62, x63, and x64. How about our B? What will our B be? Our B. If we come from our model, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what we get. Okay? Sorry. Our matrix is 6 by 4 matrix. So our B which is the model parameter, is 1, 2, 3, 4. So our B is 4 by 1 matrix. So we have B naught, B1, B2, and B3. Sorry, this is 6 by 4. 6 by 4. So this is our B value. How about our error term? Our error term, of course, we have 6 observations. So it will be E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, and E6. So 6 observations. Of course, we can write this out properly. We can write them here out properly. How do we write them? We'll write it in this form. Y is equal to xb plus e. Y is equal to xb plus what? E. So we'll have to delete this first. We'll write our y, sorry. This time we'll now write y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6 will be equal to x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is x11, x12, and x13, x21, x22, and x23, x31, x32, and x33, x41, x42, x43, x51, x52, and x53. Yes, x61, x62, and x63. Multiply by our b. Our b is b dot, b1, b2, and b3 plus our error term, which is e1, e2, e3, e4, e5, and e6. So this is simply how we can compute or how we can put the linear regression model into a matrix notation. So if you want to use matrix to calculate such kind of question when given data or when given some parameters, you will use it in this form. This is the matrix form for the linear regression model. For more on this topic, we need to subscribe to this channel. You can do.